Are you tired of losing important transcripts in your Otter.ai dashboard? Learn how to create a folder in under 30 seconds. We'll quickly cover the steps. Open the Folders panel, click New Folder, name it, and click Create. Start by navigating to the Otter.ai homepage. That's where we'll be working. Once you're there, look to the left side panel and click on Folders to see your current folders. Now, in the top right corner, go ahead and click on New Folder to begin creating one. That'll bring up a place to enter the name. Just type in whatever you'd like to call this folder. Finally, click the Create button, and your folder is ready. Happy organizing! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.